this case? Well, let's see. If we do step 3, we actually do step 3, f prime is going to be negative 2x. If I substitute x naught into that, so I have f prime and x naught is 1, so we will get negative 2 like you described, just following these very cogent steps here. And now step 5 is take reciprocal of that. Okay, I shall. Get to step 6 for a second. So I'll have 1 over negative 2. That's the reciprocal of the expression we just found. And that's our answer. So didn't need a step 6. And according to Baker, doesn't even need a step 1. So.
I mean, you would have food,
So like, can you go through the steps again?
Just stop.
No, I'm
messing
talking
with me
about
now.
from step 2 to 5.
Step 2 to 5?
But
Yeah,
like,
talk
what
about,
are the
like,
numbers?
the
Like in
numbers.
practice through the problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to figure out what x naught, y naught is. Since they gave you a point which is on the inverse,
Yeah.
conceptually that's a y naught x naught. It's the reverse, right? Because inverse is reverse,
Yeah.
or the inverse is inverse, the y and the x coordinates. And the x-y pair they're talking about in the formula applies to original function.
Okay.
So they gave us a point on inverse function. So I need to realize that and switch it so I know x naught, y naught for my problem is 1, 7, not 7, 1.
Okay.
Then just take the derivative of the function they gave you, the negative x squared plus 8, the original function. Plug in the x value, plug in 1.
Okay.
So we got negative 2 after all that.
Wait,
And then just flip it.
I don't know why we got a 2 right there. That's where I was
This 2?
stuck.
Derivative of this. Negative 2x,
Yeah.
and that goes to 0. Then plug in 1. See, I knew the steps weren't going to help.
But,
Steps suck.
especially when the first one's even below.
no wait. Okay, so the f inverse prime 7, where does that fit into like the bottom part?
That's what you're. That's what this. That's
Oh,
what
that's
this,
the
this, and this
bottom
are
part.
saying. This is the formula for this, and that. They don't need steps. The formula
Okay,
tells you what to
okay.
do.
It's the first thing below.
Okay, I see it's only the bottom
The
part.
only thing the formula doesn't tell you what to do is eat granola and make sure you know what x, y is. The formula tells you every other step. Right? And that's the way I'm looking at it. So that's how you deal with that case. Okay? Could any of you find, just out of curiosity, could you find the inverse of this function up here? Could you
Yeah.
find f inverse?
Yeah.
You said yeah. Tell me, what is f inverse?
You would have to.
Oh, I have to do
x-
it now, of course. Right?
Well, okay. It would be x equals negative y squared plus 8, and then you would solve for y.
Oh, very good. So that's the technique, right? Negative y squared plus 8. And then you
So
solve
you
for
would
y.
subtract 8.
Let's do this. How's that? Okay.
Yeah. That just takes it.
Very good. Okay. We now have the inverse. This is at wait a second, it's not a function. Got a plus or minus, it's not a function. So that's what they told us. X is greater than or equal to 0.
So it can't be negative.
Very good. Because this is really x now, right? On that side of the fence, that's x. So this is really what Justin said is the positive root. So we have negative x plus 8. So
Formula?
no, we're just
I mean,
we're just showing you
push
could
it
do it
in.
this way in some cases, right? You don't have to use the formula.
But the formula is
Formula is probably a little bit quicker now, right? You don't have to do the inverse.
No, he just.
I'm
showed
just
you all the
establishing that it's
ways
going to be
you
this
can do
exact
it.
same solution. So now if you take f inverse derivative, what will you get? You'll get 1 over 2 root negative x plus 8 times the derivative of negative x plus 8, which is negative 1. So now you just need to plug in the number 7. So you plug in 7, what will you get? Negative 7 plus 8 is 1. The root of 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 1. Negative 1/2. Just like we described. Okay? Math is still true. All right, any questions? That's it. Can't take you guys anymore. 4 long days. Baker huffing
I
and
think
puffing
it
about
was a
granola.
big.
Yeah, you made such a big deal. about it.
How long Wednesday and Thursday?
Have a good weekend. Hope you work hard. Hope you learn a lot
Yeah.
over the weekend.
That's right. So my question is, this is true? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So you would have to do the function. Yeah, we do that.
So you need to apply water.
It would be third. No, it would just be third. It would just be third. Because this becomes, if you take the derivative, it's a chain where you first have to take the derivative of x to its
Well, I lied. I mean,
Oh, because we're gonna, it's gonna be.
yeah, you take the derivative of x squared first, which is the derivative.
No, do you mean that it's 5x to the 6 squared?
yeah, this is bad. I went right as we go.
If
Same
you
thing,
take
right?
the derivative of the bottom, it's a chain.